Python coding for beginners. Program 1, add two numbers. To find the sum of two numbers, check even or odd. If number divided by 2, it is even, otherwise it is odd number. To find the maximum of two numbers, max a comma b. To find the simple interest using assignment method, swapping of two numbers, it will change the value of two numbers. Find square root of a number, math.sqrt. To add math.sqrt, import math is required. Find cube root of a number. Cube root, this is exponent symbol, power symbol. This is 1 by 3 cube root. Use of power function. Find the area of a circle. Math.py is used. Import math is required. Calculate absolute value. Function is ABS. Find maximum and minimum of three numbers. Max a comma b comma c. Mean a comma b comma c. Round a decimal number. Round number comma 2. Up to 2 decimal places, number comma 2. To evaluate various mathematical expression, for addition a plus b, for subtraction a minus b, for multiplication a into b, for decimal division a / b, for remainder a modulus b, percentage symbol is used, for exponent power double star symbol, asterisk symbol is used. This is floor division, integer division. It will find the integer part of the division. This is known as floor division. Math.sqrt to find the square root of a number. This is cube root of a number. Power function. Power means power. Exponent. A comma b means a to power b. Log function. Logarithm. Then trigonometrical function. Absolute value ABS. Round function. Python program for a square plus b square divided by c. Python practice questions for students. Assign two decimal numbers, display their sum. Input two integer numbers, display their product. Input a number, display a square. Input length and breadth of rectangle and display the area. Input length and breadth of rectangle, display the perimeter. Input side of square and display the area and perimeter. Input radius of circle and display the area and circumference. Input principal rate and time, calculate simple interest. Input cost price and selling price, display loss or profit. Input mark price and discount, display the selling price. Input side of square, display the area and perimeter. Input radius of circle, display the area and circumference. Input principal rate and time, calculate simple interest. Input cost price, selling price, and display profit or loss. Input mark price, discount percentage, and display the selling price. This is the program, this is the output. Input base and height of a right angle triangle, display area perimeter. Formula is area is half base into height, perimeter is base plus height plus hypotenuse. Hypotenuse formula is root over of base square plus height square. This is the program to find the area and perimeter of a right angle triangle.